Okay, you guys asked for it, so here we go. Here are 6 of my favorite passive income streams that are not drop shipping. The first one is vending machines. The key to this is finding your location before you actually get a vending machine, okay? But once you find a good location and you come up with a good concept for your vending machine and put good items in it that are not too cheap, with 3 good vending machines, you can make an extra $30,000 to $40,000 a year. Now, if you had 10 good vending machines, then you could make an extra $100,000 or more per year. The second one is KDP. This is when you sell low content books like a journal or a planner or something like that on Amazon, and they print it and ship it for you to the customers, okay? Your job is just to design it, and you also need to have really good keyword optimization on your listing, okay? You need to know what keywords people are looking for and how to categorize your planner. The third one is Audible. This one, people do not even realize is an option, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to research and see which categories of books people are searching for the most on Audible. Once you pick a category, from there, you're going to go on and have somebody on Fiverr or Upwork write a book that fits into that category, and then you're also going to have somebody on Fiverr or Upwork record the audio version of the book once it's written. And then from there, you can put it on Audible, put a few on Audible, okay? And then you can make a few $1,000s a month off of this, just people streaming your book. Now, the fourth option is how I made my first million, which is through selling digital products. Now, if you do not understand funnels and how to do all the techie stuff, then just put your digital products on Etsy, okay? No, you can't put courses on Etsy, but you can put templates, you can put ebooks, recordings, whatever you want. There's plenty of options, but put it on Etsy. The fifth stream of passive income would be YouTube. This is one of my favorites as well. You don't have to have a big channel to do this. You just need to be really good at SEO, okay? Plenty of videos on YouTube about it, but basically if you optimize your videos well and you do it on a really good topic, YouTube will pay you a premium per 1,000 views. I know people have said, oh, you make $5 per 1,000 views. That's not true. When I only had a few thousand followers on my channel, I was still making $1,000 off of my channel each month. And the reason why was because my SEO was really, really good. Now, the last one is Skillshare. If you already have courses that you've put out or you want to make a new course, research which topics people are searching for the most on Skillshare and what people want to learn, and then create a course on it, okay? The course does not have to be long. Just create a short course, put it on Skillshare, and then as people are streaming it, you make money off of that every single month. Now that we've covered cash flow, make sure you come back for part 2 of how to be a wealthy woman and hit that follow button.